Okay, real quick, let's go ahead and take a look at this quadratic. And the reason why I wanted to specifically talk to you about this one is if you do not have any parentheses, which we do not have here, then remember that -2 is a k value. Now, if you notice over here, that's in parentheses. So all you have on this graph, that's just going to be 3 places to the left. You're not going to have a k value because I don't have anything under the or behind the parentheses. But if you do not see parentheses at all, it is an h. All right, so let's go ahead and plot this. So when I plot this, I know my h value is 0 because there's no parentheses. And then my k value is -2. So this graph is going to start at 0, -2. And then I'm going to use this road map right here. 2 to the left, 4 up. 1 to the left, 1 up. And then, of course, the other side. So 2 to the left, 4 up. 2 to the right, 4 up. 1 over, 1 over. So here is your quadratic. And again, as mentioned in the previous video, please make sure your graphs are neat as possible. And see how I missed that line or my dot right there when I drew it? If you just make your dots a little bigger, your graph looks a little cleaner. So if you miss a dot, see if you can make your dots bigger when you go to sketch and connect your points. Okay, so I just want to point out your HK here. Your HK is going to be -3, 0. So you're going to use your road map for a cubic on that. Over here is a reciprocal, and I certainly want to do this reciprocal with you. We have not done one. Anytime you see a fraction bar, you're going to have asymptotes. So make sure your red pen is ready. All right, step 1. Is there a B value? No, there is not a B value. Step 2. Is there an HK? Yes, there is. Your HK, you got a +2 grouped with X, so I know H is -2. And then you have a -4 right here. Remember, we never changed the sign of the K value. So here's how we do reciprocals. So we're going to plot -2, -4, and once we plot that, that is the intersection of the asymptotes. So I know I have a horizontal asymptote right here. I know I have a vertical asymptote right here. Pretty sure that's where it's at. Let me just check for reasonableness real quick. This is -2. Now if I put -2 down there, that would for sure be 0. So I am confident that my asymptotes are dead spot on for this graph. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use this format right here. And what is happening is they're going to be branches. So if you look at this page, I'm going to go 2 to the left and halfway down from HK. So 2 to the left, and we're going to say halfway is maybe right here, just kind of sketching. And then we go 1 to the left, 1 down. And then we're going to go halfway. Remember, I'm right here on my road map here. Halfway to the left, and then 2 down. So if you notice, that is going to be just about enough for me to see that branch of that reciprocal function. The other branch is going to be up here. I know that for sure because branches for reciprocals are always opposite. So I'm just going to use symmetry here. This is 1 place away. So I know that's another point on the graph. Remember, we went 2 to the left and halfway down. This time I'm going to go 2 to the right and halfway up. Now I'm going to go halfway and then 2 up. Okay, so here is your other branch. Notice I went from edge to edge on my picture. Okay. Please go ahead and knock these 2 out right here, and then that's going to be it.